Oh no! NANI?!
Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be the devlog of my game Track Runner. This game is going to be an endless runner hyper casual game. If you can suggest a better alternate name, that will be highly appreciated. In last few videos I made a character and some props for this game. You should check that out as well. Also subscribe the channel for more such content. Now let's begin. So I have imported all the Mixamo animations, the props and the character. Let's check them out one by one. So this is how the character looks in Unity, and let's check out the props as well. So these are all grouped up. Let me show them separately. So this is the track where the character will be running, and I'm going to generate it repeatedly to make the track endless. So this is the tunnel. This is a failed product. I wanted the character to jump here, and then I go at the top. I don't think I will be using this now. So the next model is the small hurdle. Let me just hide the body and show it to you. Does the global volume make any difference? Yes, it does, little bit. I'm going to turn it off for now. So this is the small hurdle, and it's looking actually nice. Then here we have the big hurdle. This one also fits perfectly. So then we have this cylinder. I think I forgot to rename it to coin, but it's not glowing now. Let me see if I can fix it. Okay, so the coin is glowing now. I think this intensity is good. And at last we have this cone. This also fits the environment nicely. Let's check out the Mixamo animations as well. So I have added this runner animator controller, and let's check the animations. So this is the T pose, and this is the idle. Oh no, it's not working how I wanted it to. He's just lying on the ground. But let's check other animations as well. So this is the jump one. No, this is also not performing nicely. So let's disable the track for now and see the other animations as well. This is jump run. Rolling. Oh no, what is happening? Running. Slide. Stumble back. He is standing now. Okay, so let me see what the problem is and I will try to fix it. Okay, so I ended up changing the character and animations from generic to humanoid. I wanted the animation type to be generic because that would have been more suitable for a mobile game. So let's check the animation again. Hope this works nicely this time. So this is the idle animation. Yep, it's working nicely. This is the jump animation. It seems to be good. This is the jump run. Oh no, this animation seems to be messed up. Let's see this in the scene. There is some major deformation in this leg. I think I will need to make the animations myself. I'm definitely not using the jump run. Let's check the rolling animation. I don't think this is how it was displayed in Mixamo. Then the running animation. Oh no, what is he doing, man? He was running nicely in Mixamo, but now he's running in catwalk in Unity. Nah, I don't like this animation. Let's check the other animation. The slide animation. Oh, is he sliding in the air? Stumble backward. He falls on air. Slide animation. He slides on air. So yeah, it seems like I have to make the animations myself. I can actually change the animations from Unity as well. The Mixamo animations are generally read only. I would have to copy this animation and then I can edit it. But I think it will be better for me if I make new animations in Blender itself. So I will do that later. Let's just keep these animations for some time. Okay, so now I have created this animation transition state. Let me show what it's doing. So it goes from idle to running, and then it can go from any state to any animations. Well, it's actually pretty boring. Let me just show you it in action. So as you can see, the character is performing his idle animation. So let me just increase the speed now. Now he's starting to run. Then if I make him jump, and then if he's grounded, he comes back into running, and then jump, and then runs, jump, and then runs, jump, and then runs. The transition is okay for this one. Then the jump run one, I'm not going to use this animation at all. There is some severe deformation in the leg. Then we have this sliding animation, which will be okay for now. And this is the rolling animation. So it just starts to dance in the ground. So I'm just going to delete these two animations. I'm not going to use it. And these animations will just fine. Oh, I haven't shown you the stumble backward one. Let me show you that. So yeah, if I press this death trigger, then the animation is played and he stops. That's it. Interesting facts here. Check this out. This is how generally my game will look. I can make it high graphics, doesn't matter. But check this one out. I can easily make it pixelated. Isn't that cool? Maybe not that cool actually. Okay, so now I have added the shader graph. Let me show it to you. So this is the shader graph. Let me be honest with you, I don't understand any of it. This is the only part that I understand. I just added my textures into it. And this is the part which causes the world to bend. Not bend, but curve. Let me show you the effects of this. But before that, let me show you something. So I added this emission strength. Now I can easily control the glowing effect. So check the coin as I increase the emission. But I think 5 is good enough. So now let me increase the backward strength and you will see the curve effect. So here you see it's bending backwards now. Let's revert that and increase the sideways strength. So now this is changing the curvature at the x-axis. So now if I take my camera and move it in a straight line, it's having a nice curve effect. So here you can see that the curve is not actually curving nicely. That is because the tracks doesn't have enough vertices for it to bend. So I would have to import the tracks again with higher details. I will do that afterwards. But this shader also added some problems. Let me show that. So if I select this, it's not staying at the center of the track. It's going at the corner. I don't know how to fix it. I may have to tweak some values here and there and see if it can make any changes. Also, you can see that the trees are starting to levitate now. They are not attached to the ground. Can you see that? Yeah, I will have to figure that out as well. I'm going to solve this problem in the next devlog, hopefully. Okay, so another thing that I forgot is I should have turned this project into Android build. So let's do this now. It is going to take some time, so I just want to tell you that it actually took a lot of time for me to figure out the animations and the shader graph. The shader graph was quite simple, but this was my first time and it was really hard for me to navigate in the shader graph section. So yeah, I actually end up spending like 6 hours or so on it, going through various videos. I will leave a link to the video that helped me make the shader graph. You can check that out as well. So I'm going to conclude today's devlog at that. So bye for now and see you at the next one.